Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Beyond Meat, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by conducting thorough research on Beyond Meat. Look into the company's financial health, business model, and future prospects. Familiarize yourself with the plant-based meat industry and its growth potential. Create a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online broker that suits your investing style. Once your account is set up, fund it with your desired investment amount. Navigate to the search bar on your brokerage platform. Type in Beyond Meat or its stock ticker symbol, BYND. Review the stock's current price and performance metrics. Decide how many shares you want to buy based on your budget and investment strategy. Choose the type of order you want to place. A market order buys shares at the current price. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy. Review your order details carefully before submitting. Confirm your order and check for a confirmation notification. Monitor your investment regularly to stay informed on market trends. Read news about Beyond Meat and the plant-based sector for updates. Consider setting a target price for selling and develop a plan for profit-taking. Stay aware of broader market conditions that could affect your investment. Be prepared to hold your investment long-term if necessary. Evaluate your portfolio periodically to assess Beyond Meat's performance. Make adjustments based on market data and your financial goals. Consider consulting with financial advisors for personalized advice. Finally, stay patient and stick to your investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.